As the Secretary General of the United Nations, an organization of 147 member states who represent almost all of the human inhabitants of the planet Earth, I send greetings on behalf of the people of our planet. We step out of our solar system into the universe seeking only peace and friendship, to teach if we are called upon, to be taught if we are fortunate. We know full well that our planet and all its inhabitants are but a small part of this immense universe that surrounds us, and it is with humility and hope that we take this step.
Silema gemen.
Oitinis poteste chairete. Eirenikos pros philos eleluthamen philoi.
Paz e felicidade a todos.
各位好嘛，祝各位平安健康快樂。
Adanish lushulmu.
Здравствуйте.